As we said, we have a three red, yellow, and blue wires, and we have a neutral wire that we connect to the RCB and fast control. Equipments like RCB, fast control, and conductor and signal light need a neutral wire. Uh, Now we have to connect the neutral wire. Uh, I wire show it. I chose a black wire for neutral wire. We put it in this terminal. We fasten the wire in this place. We fasten the wire in this place. We pass through the duct and connect to RCB here. Cut the wire and wire show the wire. Connect to RCB in this way. We use the black wire for a neutral, and we take a wire from another under the RCB and connect it to the false control. First, wire show the wire. We place the wire under the RCB. We pass through the duct and connect it to the zero of the false control. And then N. Cut it. I we wire show the end of the wire like this. Be sure to put all the wire show in the wiring harness because there is a possibility of the sparking and fire. And we connect it to the zero of the false control in of the false control and tighten the screw. We took the neutral wire from this part and connected it to the RCB. We brought it from here and connected to the fast control. And from this part, we can take a zero and connect it to the signal lights. Now, for the fuse, we need to take power from one of the wires and connect it to the sig- single phase fuse. So we open one. We have to remove the previous wire show and use a in this way. Use, use the wire for a fast control and wire show the end of the wire. In this way, we double the wire show and we put it in the previous place. We put it here, the previous place, and tighten it, and we put it the fuse single phase. We want to build a bridge. It is not necessary to pass through the duct for bridging. We wire show the end of the wire here, like this. For safely, we use a wire show. So first we connected the neutral wire to the RCB, then we connected to the fast control from the RCB, and we connect to the RCB and fast control, and we connected one of the wires to the single phase circuit. This is the map of the command circuit, that is the part of the fast control fuse, part of the load control. It consists of the start switch, stop switch, and conductor code. First, we take the wire from the fuse and connect it to 15 fast controls. We take a fast control from 18 and connect it to 97 B metal. We take B metal from 96 and connect it to 11 stops. Take from 12 stop and connect to 13 start. With start from 14 and connect to A1 coil of the conductor. Well, now we want to wire the control circuit according to this map that we have. First, we chose a low grade wire. We strip the end of the wire and wireshow it. Now we connect the wire to the fuse to 15 phase control. This is the 15th phase control. Cut it and wireshow it. This wire end of the 15 phase control. We connect to 25 or 15. It's not important between these. After 18 phase control, we connect to 19.5 bimetal. Uh, wire should the wire from 18 phase control to the 95 bimetal. Pass to the duct to the 95 bimetal in this way. We tighten the screw and we pass the ducts. We connect the wire to 95 and we connect a wire of 96 p metal to 11 stop gates. From 96 to 11 stop gates. Mm. Wire should the wire. We connect one end of the wire to 96 and we connect it to 11 stop gates here. Cut it and wire it. We connect to 11 stop gates in this way. And we connect from 12 stop to 13 start. from 12 stop case here and connect to the 13 start case. First wire show it and we connect one end of the wire to 13 and from the 14 start case we connect to conductor coil to A1 and connect A2 to 0. From the 14 start case we connect the conductor coil to A1 and connect to the 0 or neutral wire. In the next video, we connect 13 and 14 starters with 13 and 14 parallel conductors, which exits here. 13 and 14 parallel to the start K. And finally, we connect three phase to the signal switch. Well, now I will explain one more time. First, we connected one of these phases to the fuse. After two fuse, we connected to 25 phase control. We connect the wire from this part and connected to the um, 25 phase control. After 18 phase control, we connect to 95 p metal from 18 to 95. We connected b metal. We cross to duct path and reach 95 b metal. We connected 96 p metals to the base of the 11 stop switch. We connected 12 stop case to 30, 13 start case, and we connected 14 start case to the to conductor A1. After A2, we connected to the neutral. Next, I want to explain this part, which are 13 and 14 conductors. Base 13 and 14 are located in this area. We connect one of the 13 starters to 13 conductors and we connect 14 conductors to 14 start case with one wire or connect to A1. First the wire show the wire. To the normally open contact or 13 and we connected the 14 conductors to 14 starts in this here. We can connect 14 conductors to A1. It doesn't matter in this way case because there is a not there. And then we brought the neutral wire and we connected it to the signal light that we bridge the signal lights. And now we connect each phase to one of the signal lights. The closest place to get three-phase electricity is phase control and connect to R, S, and T, and we bridge the neutral wire. This is the command circuit and the starting power of an electric motor that we used fast control protection and load control. We could use a load control instead of metal. And then I will explain to fast control setting to you. To learn uh, this content completely, only the wiring of the signal light remain from this panel. Then when the three-phase power is connected to the panel, these three lights will light up. Part of this board and connected 13 and 14 conductors with 13 and 14 starter is parallel. We connected this yellow wire to 13 and 14, and we took three wires from the fast control and connected them to the signal lights. Pay attention to pass the wires through a ducts. Put the wire inside the hose, and the end of the you put the door of the documents so that the wire are not